My name's Ted Geiselman. I'm president of Weiler Labeling Systems here in Morristown, New Jersey. We manufacture labelers here for well over 20 years. We focus on applications that not everyone can do. We can handle non-round products. Those non-round products have printing on them that can be human readable, 2D data matrix. We have outsert capability, we have topsert capability. But we're not only known for that, we're also known for high-speed, other difficult products. This particular injectable drug vial, we've done this vial with a 720-degree removable label wrap. At 900 a minute, they've been running for about 9 years. On the new technology that we're trying to unfold, we're bringing servo technology into the industry. We're trying to bring all of the things that customers talk about with toolless changeovers, fast changeovers, because the industry is shifting. They want to be able to run 6 hours, 8 hours, change the machine, put on a new product. The HR 3204, I believe it is, that was introduced in September, is going to apply to what I think is over 4,000 lines in the United States that are going to need to be upgraded over the next several years for serialization. And to do those upgrades, you need to know how to work with the vision systems, the printing systems, the different control systems. And that's one of the reasons the customers come to WLS.
As you can see behind me, there are two different groups of customers that I cannot name, but they are running two separate FATs on two types of equipment. One test is running plastic containers at 300 a minute and labeling them, printed with a Domino laser printer. The other test is on a glass vial, similarly labeled with a code printed by a Domino laser printer.
The good news is we love working with Domino. We've been doing it for 8 years. It was a match made in heaven for us because what's more important to us than anything is when we're on the floor and a third-party supplier says to us, well, yes, we can meet that pharmaceutical company's requirement. We need to know that's going to happen when it's on the floor because we're not laser people.
The majority of our pharmaceutical customers have been requiring a Domino printing systems in the user requirement specifications. And this is why we've been integrating very successfully Domino printers into our labeling machines.
When we went to the show in Las Vegas this year at PACK Expo 2013, just before we left, we happened to walk out on the floor, and it was very busy out there at the time. And we took a count. We had 19 Domino lasers on the floor with customers' products. Obviously, we're very proud of our 20-plus year history in delivering best-in-class products to our customers, in particular in the pharmaceutical industry. We couldn't do it without products from best-in-class OEM suppliers as well. And I'd like to take this moment to thank Domino for their support in our efforts to deliver those products to our customers.